Hi Aries, welcome to your annual forecast for the year 21. And in this reading, I'm going to be covering each and every aspect of your life. And as the guidance flows through me, I'm going to deliver it to you. So, may I request you to please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon. And also give this reading a thumbs up if you like it and if it helps you. What are the messages for Aries for the year Aries? I have quite a few cards. Okay, the overall theme for your reading is the Wheel of Fortune. I'm going to dive deeper into your reading. These are some amazing cards here. But let me first draw all the cards out and then I'm going to take the reading. Messages for Aries for 2021. What should Aries look forward to? Nice. What do you want Aries to know for 2021? This one. Let me begin. And going by the strength of the smile on my face, I believe you understand that there are some really amazing cards showing up here for you. So the first card that popped out was the Wheel of Fortune. Aries, I feel like you've already set your goals straight for this year and for your life, and you have closed the chapter on old things, old people, old situations, and you may have been a little apprehensive about taking some steps forward, but not anymore, because with the Eight of Wands and the card of the Magician, you are bringing to fore everything you have thought about, and this is not going to happen all by itself. Universe is sending your way the right people, situations, circumstances, and all the opportunities that are important and are going to be instrumental in your life for manifesting the goals you so desire for yourself. With the Eight of Wands energy, I also feel that there's swift communication happening towards you with someone you have wanted to hear from. This could even be with regards to the matters of heart. For those of you not looking to have a relationship, I feel like this is a pending situation, or a letter or a contract, or you may be wanting to hear from somebody, and that may come in for you in the year 21. With the card of the star, I feel like Aries, this is the energy of Aquarius, and I feel like, and we are in the Aquarian age now. I feel like you are birthing new ideas. You're not only doing that for yourself, you're doing that for others too. You could be leading a pack, a maybe group, community, but I feel like your ideas are going to help show the way to others as well. With the card of High Priestess, I feel like you have been inspired, divinely inspired by the universe to act upon some things. And these ideas have come to you in the form of spiritual downloads. You may have written them down, you may have them on your mind quite often, but they're there. And as a very strong part of you, they're going to unfold slowly but steadily as the time comes. In divine timing, all these ideas are going to unfold. And with the King of Pentacles, I feel like you are growing at a very steady pace, and this is something that's here to stay. It's not like you achieve one goal, you achieve one contract, and that's done. This one thing is leading to another, or one contact, one person is leading to another. Let me draw you some more cards. You get the Eight of Water and you get the Ace of Fire. Yeah, I definitely feel like with the Eight of Water, this is the Eight of Cups energy. You are something searching for something more meaningful in your life, and this entire year, you're going to be standing by your beliefs, and at the same time, you're creating some landmark moments for yourself, Aries, and this is looking really, really good. I see a lot of spiritual and emotional growth happening for you, and you're moving. Something that you felt was keeping you down, or you felt stagnant before, is releasing. And with the Ace of Fire, Ace of Wands energy, I feel like there's definitely a very exciting new opportunity, or opportunities rather, career advancements happening for you. And your life is changing here for sure. I feel like I need to take this Three of Water. Wow. Aries, you people are in for some celebration with the Three of Water, Three of Cups energy. Some of you could be having a family function or tying the knot with someone. This card does not talk about engagement or any such thing, but I feel like you could be tying the knot with someone or coming together with someone in a very happy situation, in a very happy relationship. This could even mean a wedding, a graduation ceremony, someone is, child coming into the family. But you're also definitely becoming more fun loving here. Yeah. Give me a card for Aries, please. You get the card of the eagle. You are definitely going to soar high up in the sky, Aries, because whatever it was that was keeping you from taking off in the last year, the year 2020, this is not going to be around. It's not going to hold you back. Your wings are spread about and you're ready to fly. There's going to be more clarity, and there's going to be better strength of mind and purpose in your heart now to be, and you'll feel very, very driven throughout this year. It's like even when you're falling asleep or you're in that sleep awake state, your mind is going to be so racy and so active that you will know that there are these ideas are not going to leave you, or you must pen them down to bring them from the 5D plane to the 3D. So that's how you will remember all of these, because these are quite a few. And you also get the card of wish. Whatever you have been wishing for in the past, that is coming true for you. And like I said, along with the card of the magician, this card appears from a different deck and is again talking about some wish of yours coming true in the year 2021. What more messages do you have? Let me draw you some cards from the spirit. What messages do you have for Aries? You have the card of trickery. I'll go deep into that. You have the card of release. What is the card of trickery about, spirit? Why do they get trickery? Okay. Okay. Aries, I feel like there is something or some situation around you here that, or there could be some people around you here. I kind of feel like these people are elder to you, probably by 10 or 15 years elder to you, or you have a lot of trust on them, and I feel like these people are around you. You may be feeling a little tricked by them, or they may try to do things to trick you into doing things for them. But the spirit is telling you that have faith and keep going on your path, because they're going to be taken care of. They're going to be taken care of, but to keep your ears and your eyes open. You also get the card of release. Everything that has built up on your mind and your heart in the past needs to be released to allow the new to step into your life. Let me draw you some more cards from the oracle. But yes, there are definitely a few people here who see you growing, and they may want a chunk of you, or a chunk of your success. But these people are definitely looking to be some people you have known, and they're looking to be elderly. Maybe, may not be always. So keep your eyes and your ears open. What messages do you have for Aries for the year 2021, spirit? Okay. Aries, you get the card of begin. Wow, you get four cards. Grace and gratitude. You get the card of begin now. You get the card of stepping into power. You get the card of rainbow blessings. Beautiful. You are going to have to express your gratitude for every little thing that you have got in your life so far, Aries. Every little receipt you've made for anything that's come your way, you've got to pay gratitude to that, so that it expands in your life. And when you pay gratitude to something, you're also in a way releasing, which was a card that I got from the spirits deck before this. So that also says that you're accepting what the way things were in your life previously, and you're now ready to move on because you've learned whatever you were supposed to. You get the card of begin now. Whatever it was you've been planning in your mind for quite some time, and I feel like some of you Aries have been planning for a few years, and some of you Aries have been planning for a few months in the last few months of 2020. So you need to begin now to take these steps, so that the with the card of the magician and the card of the wish, you can bring your ideas to fruition in the year 2021. And stepping into power, you get the card of stepping into power. You are strong beyond measure, Aries, and probably you don't even realize this, but those around you, they see that on you. There's this kind of aura or energy on you, on your face, in your presence, in your that makes people feel very secure, makes them feel very strong about themselves. So there's something about your presence here I'm getting, that is making people feel very confident and secure about themselves, but probably you are not realizing this about you. So wake up. And you get the card of rainbow blessings. Blessings are showering on your life, and as the year progresses, I feel like after March and between March and June, there could be some kind of recognition or reward coming for you. And I also feel like this is going to set foundations for something bigger and better for you to achieve, and gain gain better name for yourself, and in the coming times. Let me get you some messages from the crystals, from the spirit. What messages do you have for Aries for your 2021 spirit? I'm so sorry. I get the eagle or the hawk spirit once again here, and I'm also getting a snake. So this could be your opponents that I'm seeing here in the year 21, Aries. And believe me when I say, you are your success is known by the number of opponents you have. So if I'm seeing a lot of opponents, that means you're definitely doing something to stand out, and that's not going down well with people who are probably in the same field, or who discounted you for someone or somebody who's not going to do much. So I see a lot of opponents here, but then you are safe again because you are soaring high like the eagle, and you have a better view than they have about you. Wow. Okay. I also see house and a lot of fog and mist for some of you Aries. This could be you feeling fogged in or confused, but as the year progresses, you're not going to be confused anymore. I also feel a lot of you Aries could be traveling to mountain regions or cold regions and having a good time. Yeah. I also see you enjoying some adventure sports. Definitely. So I'm going to take one more crystal for your health. Aries, you being asked to pay attention to your eyes and take enough rest and sleep. Also, some kind of herbal tea or some kind of health shakes, health drinks, they're going to prove beneficial for you, but you must check with your dietitian first, and then go ahead. I'm also seeing you either buying a house, changing a house, changing a residence, something to do with that. But 21 is looking really, really fruitful for you. Please hit the like button if this reading helps you in any which way. And I'm going to be coming back with more detailed readings as the year progresses. So if you are subscribed to the channel and you have hit the bell notification icon, you will get to know when I'm posting a video here for you. So thank you so much for watching. Until we meet again, bye bye, stay safe, and God bless.